Good morning, fifth graders. Some of you said that you needed help with your homework on, I believe it's 15.3, surface area and net. So we're going to look at surface area and net today. So I want to remind you that surface area is different than volume. So we have been talking about volume, which is we're looking at what can fill inside the shape. So we're counting every single square cubic centimeter to see what can fit inside. Versus surface area, we want to see how much space is on the outside. So we have to look at all the faces of each shape. And a way that helps us do that is through net, which net is when we open this shape up and we lay it flat out. That is the net. So we're going to look at finding a surface area when we're looking at it as a solid shape, and also with net. So surface area. What is surface area? It is the sum of the area for each face of the object. The sum of the area. So sum means add. So it's adding up the areas for each face of the object. How many faces does my object have? Well, this shape is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, which means it has 4 faces coming off. You can see this is the long side, so these faces coming off, and the short side's faces. But since it's a prism, there's the top and the bottom both also have a face. So that equals 6 faces. That should be review. So now we have to find the area. This should also be review from 4th grade. Area is length times width. Well, we have different size faces. Looks like our 2 sides and our top and our bottom they all share this 4-inch length. And then they have these are all the same tops, which is 3 inches. So this first face is 4 inches by 3 inches. So length times width, 4 times 3 equals 12. So this first square here, which if we look at it in a net view, is 12. Its area is 12. That's our front. Now if you notice in the back, this line shares with this line, and this line is the same as this one. So our back is also 12. It's 4 by 3. Now on our sides, it's not the same depth, it's 2, but this shares the same line, so it's 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 is an area of 6. So the first thing you do is you find the area of each face. Then the second thing you do is you add all the areas of each face. So the top, the area was 12 because we did 4 times 3. The front is 12. The bottom is 12. The back is 12. And then our left side and our right side is 2 by 3, which equals 6. When we add them all together, we get 60. The last thing we need to do is we need to label the answer with square units because we're only dealing with 2 dimensions. Okay? With volume, we deal with 3 dimensions, but with centimeters, it's surface area, or with surface area, it's 2 dimensions, length and width. So it's centimeters squared. It's very important to always put your units. All right, I hope that helps. Looking at surface area, it's finding all the areas of each individual face and then adding them up. All right, have a great day, 5th graders.